So listen with this, and this is a very important concept. Halimbawa po, tayo po ay may bahay. If you build your house, kailangan matibay ang pundasyon para kung mayroon pong unos dyan at may earthquake, hindi mo matitibag yan. At for you, para makip po ang yung bahay na yan, ay kailangan mo ng mga engineers, o di ba, mga license diyan para hindi po basta matitibag yan at hindi masayang ang iyong pong kapirahan. The same sa atin pong financial foundation. Kailangang matibay yan at malalaman natin kung matibay yan kapag mayroon na pong financial crisis. What if you lose your income? What if magkasakit ka at ma-disable ka? Now my question is, kumusta na po ang inyong financial foundation? Bakit mahalaga po ito? The solid financial foundation, this is for our family. We love our family. We love our sons and daughters. We love our parents. Kung wala ka pang anak, meron kang nanay, we love. Kaya kailangan i-build natin ito para kung meron mang pagbabago sa ekonomiya ng mundo, madali po tayo maka-adapt. Kapag meron pong pandemic, we are pandemic proof, we are recession proof, we are crisis proof, strong ang ating financial future.